What's up everyone, it's Nicholas from Quintessential Gent, and I'm here with the Beckett Simonon Hoyt Double Monk shoes. Stay tuned to the end, and I'll have my thoughts on these. Hello everyone, I want to do things a little bit differently with this video and give you my honest opinion on these Beckett Simonon Double Monk shoes. As you can see, they really are a gorgeous set of shoes. They're handmade one at a time, and just taking a look at the details of these things, it's high quality materials, and the craftsmanship is very exquisite on these. The soles are a Blake stitch construction, so you can get these resoled. It has a rubber heel for extra traction, and the leather is full grain calf upper, so you have a really good quality shoe here. And Beckett Simonon does a great job keeping the cost down, no middleman. They make these in small batches so that they can give you better savings on these shoes and get a higher quality product for the price point. So you're really getting a good bang for your buck with these shoes. I have quite a few different shoes from them, and they have all held up wonderfully, and I enjoy wearing them. They're very comfortable and also very stylish. So one thing to note is that any shoes with Beckett Simonon, in their efforts to keep down the cost, they make them in small batches, so you're pre-ordering your shoes, so you have a little bit of a lead time there before you receive them. But you know, that's great because again, they're returning the savings onto you. So I think you guys should really check these out. They're a fantastic shoe. I've been wearing these particular ones for the past 2 days, and I love them. I think they're an excellent shoe. So I hope you found a lot of value in this video, and if you have any shoes from Beckett and Simonon, I'd love to hear from you. Love to hear your thoughts. If you have any questions on these shoes or anything about the company, I'll try to find the answers out for you and contact people I know there and get those answers. So feel free to drop me a comment and I will get back to you. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video.